this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Variant 2. To adjust seat height, press up on the lever located under the right arm. Use your body weight to lower the seat, or lift your weight off the seat to raise it. Pressing the button on the left side of the seat allows you to slide the seat forward or backwards. Release the button at your desired depth position. The lever located under the left arm adjusts the backrest angle. Press once and release on the lever to unlock. Lean back to engage the backrest incline, and press and release on the lever again to lock it. Pull up on the chair's back to adjust the back height. The back will return to its original position once you reach its highest point. To increase or decrease backrest tilt resistance, pull out the crank located on the lower right of the seat and turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. Pull up on the arm to your desired height. To lower it, bring it to its highest point and push down to the starting position. You can pivot the arm pad by simply turning them in or out. To adjust the integrated lumbar support, slide it up or down with one hand on each side. Pull up on the headrest to adjust its height, then pivot to fit into the position you find most comfortable. And that's all for the Variant 2.